My name's Peter Angell. I'm the Director of the Production and Programming Division at HBS. This summer in South Africa at the FIFA World Cup, HBS is producing on behalf of FIFA and Sony 25 matches of the World Cup. All the matches of Johannesburg Soccer City Stadium, Ellis Park Stadium and Durban Stadium, plus 2 matches in Cape Town and one in Ellis Park, 25 matches in total. At each match we'll have a minimum of 7 dedicated 3D cameras, totally separate from the 2D production. And we're producing that coverage together with Sony and some of their technology partners. We have Telegenic from the UK providing one OB van, AMP Visual from France providing the other OB van, and Element Technica, US-based, Los Angeles-based company providing the 3D rigs, and Sony providing, of course, the cameras and lots of other technology inside the OB van, and Canon lenses on all of the cameras. So that's the basic setup for what we're doing. I think at the IBC in Amsterdam last year we became convinced that a large-scale 3D live production was possible. The technology was there. And secondly, the backing of Sony. Sony's involvement here has been critical, really, and in particular the development of their 3D box, the MPE 200, has really changed the game in terms of 3D production. For the first time now, we're able to take a very standard HD 2D technology base and add a very simple 3D layer to that in order to create very high quality 3D pictures. We did our first fully digital World Cup in 2002, the first high definition World Cup in 2006, and now the first 3D World Cup in 2010. So I think 3D represents the biggest technical innovation of the 2010 World Cup. What our industry needs is some momentum. They need a reason to start moving on 3D, and I think what we're hoping together with Sony and with FIFA that we'll achieve from the 2010 World Cup in 3D is that we'll kickstart the 3D industry. And our view is not that we want to marginalize or we want to keep to ourselves 3D. I think it's in our interest to democratize 3D as far as we can and have as many people involved in 3D production making good quality 3D in as many different places around the world as we can, because I think it's in everybody's interest to develop 3D in that way. So I think our hope is that there'll be sufficient interest in 3D after the World Cup, that more and more countries, more and more broadcasters will begin to produce 3D, and of course if we can be involved and help that process, we'd be delighted.